Dow traded much higher today based upon the passing of the tax bill. Notice the signal, kicker signal. Stochastics turning back up. This is the strongest of all reversal signals, the kicker signal, and it closed back up above the T. With the same type of strength illustrated over in the NASDAQ with your best friend signal, a doji gap up, back up above the T-line, implying that this steady uptrend with pullbacks is still in progress. Continue to stay long. Any short positions in the portfolio should have very compelling reasons to stay short, but as you can see, the overall trend remains positive, and today's trading kind of took out any of the negative factor that we're still heading in a good strong uptrend. Being able to identify the strong signals, your best friend signal, you can see what the nature was of our recommendation on DXCM. Notice when the Dow was pulling back, or the markets were pulling back over the last week or so, what this trend was still doing. It was staying above the T-line and they weren't pulling back at all. Same scenario on Square. We recommended coming out of this doji bullish confirmation and the failure to close below the T-line, which was the same situation this whole way up. They've never been able to close back below the T-line. Every time it came to the T-line, we had another strong buy signal. The T-line as well as the candlestick signals are just a very strong combination showing you what's going on in investor sentiment. And remember, prices do not move based upon fundamentals. Prices move based upon the perception of fundamentals. The use of candlestick charts and signals at least alerts you to see where the strong price moves are occurring. This allows us to be in the profitable trades at the optimal time based upon what the reoccurring human nature does in a price trend. And the analysis can work in both directions. Notice the bearish kicker signal on our recommendation to go short on MIC. We had a very strong price move in the markets today, but the force of this selling from the kicker signal is still in effect. Candlestick analysis is merely the graphic depiction of what occurs in human nature time after time, putting you in the right situations at the right time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.